Access Control, Second Ward, Texas. Are you looking for an access control company in Second Ward, Texas? We can help. Nexlar specializes in access control and security gate automation. We provide service in Second Ward, Texas. Why Nexlar's access control systems are the best on the market. Nexlar's systems are also scalable, meaning that you can quickly expand your system as your business grows. Our professionals are highly experienced in installing access control systems and keeping them fully functional through regular maintenance. We offer a wide range of commercial security solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Nexlar work with the latest technology in card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks. With the right expertise in lock hardware, you can ensure your company will have the best system installed. Whether you are looking to secure your doors or gate, we can help. Schedule your free access control on-site estimate today. Call us today. 281-407-0768. Visit us at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation per second ward access control /